Well guys, it is race day and we are excited to bring you some new drivers for today. This is made possible by Diecast DB, the greatest diecast database you can carry in your pocket. Be sure to download the app and use 20MHD to save you 20% on your subscription. So 2 weeks ago we had 7 drivers going head to head, battling it out to see who made the fastest time, and we ranked them in that way. So leading on top was Jason and his Firebird, and I mean it went from there on. Pussycat is actually changing out his car, but here is the current lineup. Sergeant Mufasa's in second, Kingnut is back in his GT90, Gary Redmond in his red Chevy, and Jesse's Diecast Garage in fifth. And like we said, Pussycat spent the extra funds to overnight ship this beautiful Shelby Daytona. We've seen him in the last season in the baby blue. Now he recolored it. We also have a new driver, Racing Ace, also driven by Aiden in the Camaro right here. This is super cool. And Dex is back. If you guys don't know Dex, he is Big Daddy Diecast's son. He's driving the Dodge Viper SRT. Thing is a beauty. So we're gonna see how well they do today, but before then we have our test team lining up to do some passes. All right, here we go, the Evo and a new one. We have the number 44 Kyle Petty NASCAR on the track. Look at that, these are pretty even cars doing their passes. 320s are their pretty consistent passes on these. And I mean, that car, I mean, the Evo is still super fast. Look at that, 323 on the first, 318 on the second. Everything looks golden. It looks like they gave a thumbs up, so test team gave the all clear. Aiden is in the Camaro going up against Dex in the Viper. Who is gonna take this one? We are super excited to have Aiden from the Racing Ace compete against Dex today. So let's see, first race. Oh, here we go. Reels in Dex at the last, trapping a 4 flat against a 451. There we go. Nice debut right here in the Camaro, and he's reeling him in for a second time. 415. It looks like Dex didn't cross the finish line, so we're gonna run that back. Let's see. Here we go. Ooh, that Camaro just runs him down at the top. Look at that, 411 to a 471. Dex does not advance. So here we go, Aiden versus Pussycat in the Daytona. Pussycat's really trying to make his way up the tower, and oh my God, look at that. 340 to a 403. Wow, he must have overnight shipped that with full build, I mean, look at the top end on that. 335 to a 409. Aiden does not advance, but Pussycat is now going against the tower, and he's going to go head to head against Jesse's Diecast Garage. Now let's see, can Pussycat regain himself? Last time he was in his custom Mustang funny car that didn't perform well. It looks like this Daytona is really handling business. Look at that, 334 to a 382. That is a very, very well done car right here. Look at that. Next race, here we go, round 2, and yeah, Pussycat is focused. 334 consistent time back to back, knocking Jesse as the gatekeeper in 6th. Now he's going up against Gary in his Chevy Nova. Here we go. Got a small block Chevy in there. Maybe it's a big block. I don't know. It does perform well, but Gary is a veteran just as much as Pussycat is. Here we go. First race going head to head in the Daytona. Ooh. Man, I don't know, 336 to a 353. Pussycat's pretty dialed in tonight. I don't know, he might make it all the way to the top. Oh yeah, he just left Gary behind. 331, pretty consistent car right there. He knocks Gary into 5th. Now he's going up against the OG Kingnut in the GT90. Here we go, supercar versus old school muscle. Let's see how well the Daytona does against Kingnut. Oh man, he is just cleaning up shop. 330, he's getting faster as he goes to a 353 for Kingnut. Oh man, race number 2. Here we go, lane switch. Uh-oh, GT90 is right there, but Pussycat inches, 332 to a 342. Just wasn't enough. Pussycat's car is pretty much dominating so far. But now he's going up against Sergeant Mufasa, in that silver car. I mean, we saw him perform last time. That car is very fast, very aerodynamic, but just as aerodynamic as the Daytona. And oh, here we go. He put him in his place, putting brakes on Pussycat. He trapped a 322. Here we go. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. No, that was so close. 325 to a 321. Sergeant Mufasa stops him in third. So that means Mufasa is going up against Jason in the Firebird, and we all saw how fast that car is. Let's see if something has changed. Here we go. Boss mode right here. Jason in the Firebird, Sergeant Mufasa in his silver car. Let's see. Race number 1. Nice. Yep, that Firebird just gets a good start. 306 to a 319. Man, that is a fast car. That's a very fast car, and there's a reason why he's on top, but look at that. Sergeant Mufasa hangs with him for a little bit. 3 flat. I think that's his fastest time so far. But here we go, re-ranked. We still have Jason on top. Sergeant Mufasa's in second, and then Pussycat moved his way up into third, knocking Kingnut into fourth. Gary's down in fifth, and Jesse's Diecast Garage is in sixth as the gatekeeper. Man, that was a really good move on Pussycat, getting rid of his Mustang and swapping it out with his Daytona. Wait a minute, who is that? Oh my gosh. No way, guys. Check this out. Who is back in his chopper? What is up? Did you miss me? Because I definitely missed this scene, guys. Look at this track. How much did I miss? There is so much going on. We have a straight, we have a mountain. I mean, what are you guys doing without me? Man, this looks awesome. Check it out. I mean, the OG starting gate, I remember that. Nothing else has changed other than that. But look at this serpentine mountain right here. This is so cool. I mean, you have a nice turn right here. Then going downhill, we have another turn. And then you got some straights. I love that he got rid of the fat track, guys. That is so cool. And he kept the finishing gate. Wow. Wow. That is awesome. But who is racing on this downhill track? I see some cars parked down here. Uh-oh, here we go. We have, looks like a truck, a Viper, Camaro, and some, like, I don't know, battery-powered electric car. I don't know, but, I'm hearing that Dale Garcia's in the truck, Dex in the Viper. Oh, man, look at this. Race number 1. First time since I'm back, and you guys are killing it. Oh, man, Dex is really doing some good job in that Viper. Coming around. Oh, my gosh. He got stuck. Hold on, where's the other guy at? Oh, take that battery power stuff. I don't know, take it out of here. It does not belong on the track. Way too, who's driving that? Who's driving that? And Dex, man, finish. What are you doing? All right, let's reset these guys. All right, here we go. Battery pack in one lane, Dodge Viper in the other. Let's go. Come on, Dex. Yeah, he's doing really good coming around that turn, getting a good lead. Come on, don't slow down. Don't slow down. Don't slow down. What are you doing? Give it gas. Oh, man. Oh, maybe my blades will push him. Maybe. Nope, he gave up. Where's the other guy at? Oh, he stopped. Maybe he ran out of battery juice. I don't know. Maybe? Reset these guys. Oh, no, never mind. Let's see. Dale Garcia versus Aiden. Who's Aiden? I don't know. It's a really cool, I was going to say Corvette. Very cool Camaro in a little nice hot rod truck. Nice choice for Dale. Man. Oh, dude. Look at that. Nice start for the truck. Oh my God, he's really putting a whooping on that Camaro. Here we go. Finishing strong. Look at that. Dale's the first one. He's the first one to fit. Oh my God, another guy. Another guy's upside down over here. Oh man. I came back for this. All right, here we go. Back to back. Let's see. Can the Camaro finish this time? Put all wheels on the ground. Oh, Dale. Oh, yeah. There we go. There we go. Dale's going to finish strong on this one. Still, the only one to finish. Where's the Camaro at? Oh, my gosh. Here we go. Upside down again. You and the battery pack car are like best friends. Oh, man. So, looks like Dale is the only one. Yep, Dale's the only one to finish it. Good job, Dale. Aiden, Camaro's awesome. Learn to drive. Dex, almost made it, buddy. Should have just kept going. And Battery Pack Dude, I don't even know who drives that car, but congrats for Dale. Glad to be back. Yeah, I mean, I don't have anything else for you guys, so yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this one. It was good to be back, and I'll pass it over to MHD. All right, guys, I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, and of course, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Bob, thank you so much for coming back. I mean, the money that you're asking for is ridiculous. So, yeah, until then, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.